Good day, everyone, and good day to our professor, Sir Ariel Ortoste. I'm Ali Quintabuzo from BSN 21, and I will be discussing about the electronic healthcare record using amazing charts. Let's proceed to our agenda for the day. So we'll be discussing about amazing charts, the pros and cons of using amazing charts, features of amazing charts, and demonstration video for us to know how amazing chart is. Let's proceed. So Amazing Chart was founded in 2001 by a practicing family of physicians that is familiar with the challenges that can be encountered on a daily basis in the hospital. So they are the ones who are experiencing taking their time in their computers and writing in their charts, prescribing here and scheduling there. That's why they created amazing charts that is easier and that they can give a more quality of care to their patients. So in 2017, Harris Healthcare acquired Amazing Charts to be the centerpiece of their healthcare group, which comprises several ambulatory care solutions. Since then, Amazing Chart consistently ranked as top EHR for ease of use and remain as affordable and optional for medical practices. So Amazing Charts focuses on providing straightforward solutions so medical professionals can spend more time with their patient and less of a time with their computers. Amazing Charts EHR provides a small practices and solo physicians with EHR in the cloud or installed on Primace. So EHR in Amazing Chart software is designed to use on desktop and medical and mobile devices. There is a low initial cost per physician for setup and an annual cost per physician for support and service. So the medical practice or this medical practice management functionally extends Amazing Charts practice coverage with a full revenue cycle management system with automated benefit and eligibility checking. Let us proceed now to the pros and cons of using Amazing Charts. So, in pros of using Amazing Charts, users can trust that the developer has a first-hand knowledge of the issues and medical practices going through, like the safety of the data of the patient. So, reassure that in Amazing Charts, your patient's data is protected. On the other side, the cons of using amazing charts, some specialties may require more advancement functionality and switching between screens, which Amazing Chart does not provide. So there's only one screen for Amazing Chart. It doesn't give a multiple screen for other professional or with the specialties that they have. Now let's proceed to the features of Amazing Charts. I have here a four top amazing features for Amazing Charts. So let's start with charting. The software facilitates simple one-click access to chart summaries, lab results, referral summaries, and pass and counter summaries. It eliminates redocumenting for same information. Next is e-prescribing. So Amazing Charts contains a built-in e-prescribing module powered by NewCarp, a super a sure script certified solution. Next is scheduling. So the solution streamlines setting appointment types and duration and rebooking appointments, and medical practices can book and rescheduled and document missed and no show appointment. So in just one click, you can create a schedule for appointment and rescheduling, rebooking, and can see if the patient attended or did not attend the previous appointment. Next is billing. So when users sign a note in the system, it automatically generates a electronic super bill and stores it for bill. Amazing Chart also provides practice management and billing service solution. Now let's proceed to the software features that I haven't said earlier. So I said appointment management, clinical workflow, EM coding, lab integration, patient demographics, patient portal, scheduling, as I said earlier, e-prescribing, I said that earlier as well, billing management, document management, insurance and claims, medical templates, patient history, reporting and analytics, and voice recognition. Now let's proceed to the surface of the amazing chart. So once you open the amazing chart, this is the surface that you will see. There is a schedule. You can put on the schedule of the patient. As I said earlier, the appointments and talking to the physician. You can also see here the messages inbox. So on this side, you will see the inbox of your healthcare provider, so you can easily chat on them and make updates on what are the things that they have done, or they want to give notes, or want to give you heads up. So as well as you can see here the search bar, you can search on your patient who you're going to check up on. And you can also create your own message to your healthcare co-healthcare provider. For example, you want to message a medical technologies to update about the lab results of this specific patient. So you can easily do it, and you can also write on CC. And what else? So let's proceed. There's a lot more in Amazing Chart. So once you click on the search for the name of your patient, it can lead you to here. So this portal where you can see the patient information, the demographics of the patient. You can see the information on the demographics and insurance information of the patient here. And also you can see here the billing of the patient. You can see the update if the patient already pay for the further billing. So next is the patient summary. Okay, you can see here the patient summary sheet where you can see the history of the patient illness, the review of the system of the patient, the past medication or medical history of the patient family history, and if there's any other, if the patient has allergies. You can also see on this other side, on the other side, you can track on the baseline data of the patient, such as vital signs and such. You can also, I'm sorry, you can also write your assessment here and the diagnosis and all your plans and intervention for you to track on the nursing care plan of your patient. And you can also send it directly, forward the chart to your to the designated physician of the patient. Next. So you can also go to your portal. So if there's a patient portal, there is a worker portal where you can see your time here or your duty time. If you have 8-hour shift, 16-hour shift, 12-hour shift, you can see it here, and you can place your time. Like for example, on 9 a.m. to 9:30, you will check on the vital signs of this patient one and go and so on. So to keep on track on your schedule, not just on the schedule of your patient, but also to your schedule as a worker. Next, and I believe this is the last, on this part, let's talk about e-prescribing. So it is so easy for us to just search on the medication that is prescribed by the doctor with full detail. Then one click, we can directly document it. So with that being said, let's have now a demonstration video for us to have a thorough understanding in using Amazing Chart. So just a second. So now let's see the demonstration video in using Amazing Chart.
Affordable, usable, and free to try, the award-winning Amazing Charts electronic health record system works the way you do, matching your office flow and making it simple to document visits, send secure messages, access patient information, and much more. Let's take a closer look. Designed by a doctor for doctors, Amazing Charts allows you to document any medical encounter quickly and completely during the patient visit. From scheduling an office visit using simple drag and drop, to pulling charts, to rapid documentation of patient visits utilizing the system's robust library of pre-built templates, Amazing Charts lets you do more with fewer clicks. And with the ability to create custom templates, you can add information to the patient chart with just a few simple clicks. The intuitive interface also makes it easy to enter, graph, and trend vital signs. Add pictures or illustrations, and even draw on the illustration to provide more detailed documentation. Additional time-saving features include the ability to search by diagnosis and select previous diagnoses from a problem list, thereby eliminating the need to remember ICD codes or perform exhaustive searches. For added flexibility, this comprehensive solution includes decision support at the point of care to remind you of preventative care recommendations. With Amazing Charts, electronic prescribing has never been easier. The prescription writer not only makes it effortless to prescribe medication, but also includes interaction checking, formulary information, a comprehensive patient drug history, as well as electronic transmission to U.S. pharmacies. Amazing Charts also provides secure messaging that makes it simple to send and receive messages among providers and staff. Providers can instantly review their messages and even refill medications in one seamless workflow, with all the information automatically recorded in the patient chart. The reporting feature provides a wealth of information. With the powerful search and reporting capabilities, you can quickly find patients meeting specific criteria. For example, in the event of a medication recall, you can locate and inform all patients that were prescribed the medication with a simple search. To help your practice receive meaningful use incentives, Amazing Charts provides highly visible color coding of all the required fields, as well as a patient checkpoint that's accessible directly from the chart that you can review prior to signing off. Additionally, Amazing Charts includes a wizard that generates the reports needed to attest and collect your incentive payment. Designed by a doctor for doctors, Amazing Charts lets clinicians practice medicine the way they prefer by enabling them to document quickly, easily, and with fewer clicks. To learn more about Amazing Charts, please contact us today.
There, we saw on how Amazing Chart works. So let's proceed. I hope we get it clear on how amazing Chart is. So Amazing Chart, the streamline your medical practice with cloud-based EHR and PM solutions. Discover efficient medical office software for seamless management. And that is all from my end. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, I'm Alikin Tabuzo from BSN 21. And let's use and be amazed with Amazing Chart.